What's up you guys? I know this is a slightly different way than I would usually begin my videos. I wanted to take a minute to talk about Dollar Shave Club, who thankfully are sponsoring this video. So I'm sure a bunch of you already know what Dollar Shave Club is, but I bet you didn't know that Dollar Shave Club has more than just shaving products. They pretty much stock everything that you need on a daily basis to just stay fresh. You know, shampoo, toothpaste, hair products, shampoo, already said shampoo, all sorts of shit that you need every single day. Pretty much they are offering up a $5 new member thing where you get a trial box and you can test out some of the products, see if you like it. So your trial box includes the executive razor, which is this weighty handle and a bunch of cartridges that you can change out. Shaving butter, which by the way is awesome. Some really dope body wash. Not only that, you have some one-track Wallies, oh my god, one wipe Charlies. Sorry, that's kind of a mouthful. But they give you these little sachets, and this is just a sample box, so these are smaller products, so you can just test them out, see if you like them, and then for just a few extra dollars a month, you can get the full-size ones. And they also keep sending you cartridges, change out all the time, and honestly, that is the easiest thing ever. I never have time to just like go out to the store and buy the things that I need. And usually when I do, I'm buying cheap, crappy products because I don't do my research into it. But this stuff is all really nice quality. I used this once and I was like, okay, I'm never going back to a cheap razor. My skin used to get really irritated on my neck before I was using this stuff, and now it doesn't. So thanks Dollar Shave Club for freshening me up and hopefully freshening you guys up too. Yeah, to sign up today, it's only $5 to get your trial box and it's delivered right to your doorstep. Please use the link in the description. It is dollarshaveclub.com/LEPauto. Not only are you helping out Dollar Shave Club, but you are helping me out. And I'm very thankful for them for sponsoring this video. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you do. And yeah, let's begin the day. Well guys, to start off this video, we are on our way to St. Louis today with Rally Kings. From here in Detroit, we're actually starting at M1 Concourse, which conveniently is just down the road from my house. And yeah, it's gonna be an epic day, full of cars and action and all sorts of dope stuff. So I'm super excited. My buddy's actually on his way over here right now in his brand new C7 Grand Sport, which he just picked up like a couple of weeks ago. So I'm super excited for the day and it's gonna be rad. Let's go.
Boy. We got Reed.
Good morning.
Just picked me up. That new Grand Sport though. With the competition seats. I want these. That mileage though, 933 miles.
I think she's ready to rally. I hope she is.
Would you just drive us somewhere to get some break-in miles on it before?
I bought it in Cincinnati, so drove it up here from Cincinnati, which was about 400, and then I just did a bunch of night drives to get some miles on it since then.
What's going on?
What you doing?
Just taking some photos and eating some food. We're at Rally Kings. It's gonna be our third season here, and it's gonna be a good time. This is a kickoff spring rally. We're gonna have loads of fun, loads of freaking fun. You still recording me? No paparazzi. No.
Oh, well, okay, that works.
Let's see if it fits.
It'll go.
I don't know.
Oh. Hey.
Thank you for coming out. Beautiful day, beautiful weekend. We're gonna have lots of fun. Everybody had their itinerary, shirts, all that good stuff. Everyone's in Telegram. Wristband. Yeah. Don't lose your wristband. That's your beer. You want that. And they're probably waiting, but that doesn't mean we can't have a little fun. Yeah. Go on the speed limit. Yeah. Basically, drive safe. Yeah. I know. I mean, double it. Just stay safe. Obviously, I mean, we've told you guys before. This is a
about
What's up, what's up?
over here. Camera boys. His is much bigger than both of ours. I don't know how to feel. Tiny Cock Clan.
Dudes with A7S's, we got dudes with 1DXs, we got all
We got
sorts of
dudes
stuff
with
going
really
on.
cheap cameras. It's
And
okay.
this dude got-
Just getting the GPS in now.
Alright, well, we're heading out, so here comes a bunch of rowdy fucking driving clips.
5 minutes from lunch, and I'm very hungry.
Yes.
And very sunburned.
Make me feel very uncomfortable. I like it.
Well, and I wrote a little caption.
Boom!
That's awesome. Oh my god.
On a chair or something, I would do that. Everyone's just grabbing gas and then keep on moving. We whiter than white, white on rice.
Lube up.
Dog, I'm already frying. My neck's already burnt.
No, my lips are fucking burnt. My mustache is on fire right now.
That's funny.
It's fine. It blends in, man. 1910W. We're going to Super Bowl.
What's going on, YouTube? This guy's recording me.
This is what it's all about, man. That rear view mirror view. When Ian and I drove by, there was a cop at the end of that barricade.
Whoever's at the back, can't see the plates. Hey! Yo, this kid's
Oh, we're good. We're good. 2 hours, 57 minutes, and we're good for day one. Made it to St. Louis for 9 arduous hours of driving, but we made it.
There's the ball.
Hello, and welcome to my crib.
Ooh, that's a big fucking window.
This is alright.
Okay.
It is a window bed.
Dang, it's even got a little bed for your bed.
Dude, this is sick.
This is, why is this so big?
Should've brought an Xbox.
We should have.
Well, good morning everyone. It is the next day now. We went out last night, had some fun, and we are back out here today. I think we have a 3-hour drive to a karting place somewhere, and that's our driving event for this weekend. But I'm pretty hyped.
Yay! You got a black one.
I did. Took a while, but now we have a black decal. Second time, third time's a charm.
says road.
It's rude.
He just flashed us. He just flashed us. That's it. We got a cop, came up the on-ramp. Yeah, he lit us up and then just kind of backed off. So now we're all second to right lane and he's got the left lane all to himself. This being a jabroni. He probably got some calls about us doing donuts. Yeah, well, Esteban said on the radio that he was on the radio and you guys got calls.
Going that way.
Cheers.
We're going this way. Nice little roads right there.
Whole hell of a lot.
Well, we're in the middle of nowhere right now. We have no fucking clue what's going on. This guy's riding home now.
We're at pole position. We're doing some go-karting, just slaying some noobs out here. It's a lot of fun. Did you win? Some might say.
Some might say.
That was only the first group though, so I'm ready to get destroyed.
Fast. I got 29.8, which is halfway decent, but our last heat we had everyone under 30. We were all like 29.2 to 29.9, but all in all pretty good. I think I was top 25%-ish. Ish.
What are we about to do?
I think we're gonna go to the arch, and then maybe go check out the graffiti wall for some photos, and then nap. Nap's definitely on the list.
Sounds about right.
Well, we're shooting underneath here, and we're not really supposed to do that. Whoops.
Oh, you missed it.
Plan is as follows. We're gonna go get gas first, same place that we did before. The place that I went to yesterday only has 91. I don't care putting 91 in mine, so if you don't mind, go to the same one I do, but if you want 93, right across the street. After that, we're gonna drive by the arch, just get a couple photos, and then we're just gonna go. After about maybe 2 hours of driving, 3 hours of driving, we'll post where we're gonna get gas, maybe stop for food. And I mean, I know that half of us are dying on the inside, so like, we'll stop, food, drive another 3 hours after that, stop, food, gas, and then everybody's gonna be on their own.
They do what they want out here, okay? Yep.
Shout out to all of us just breaking that red light.
Right in front of it.
When do you want us? Give them more!
I wonder if one of these guys is the guy we flew by yesterday.
Back in Detroit when
Woodward Avenue.
Well guys, the weekend is over. I had an absolute blast on the rally. I want to say a massive thank you to Troy and Gerry for putting it on, because it was an epic time. Make sure to check out all of their stuff. Links will be in the description. And I also have to say a massive thank you to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in signing up, please click the link in the top of the description. It is dollarshaveclub.com/LEPauto. If you guys go check it out, sign up, you help me out, you help them out. And it's just a great way to support the channel and support these great brands that want to support the channel too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you again soon. See you guys.